Merry Christmas. Maraming salamat sa mga members of the press who are present here today. We look forward to listening to your and hearing your questions and answering them. A few issues that concern our people, mga Filipino, at of course this includes yung ating edukasyon at saka ating healthcare. So maraming salamat muli.
Thank you, ma'am. Let us recognize Kat Forbes from Radyo Pilipinas for today's first question.
Good morning po, Kongs. Hingi lang po sana ako ng statement or reaction ninyo regarding po dito sa inilabas na pahayag po ni Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin na hindi nga po matutuloy yung supposedly December 20 na paglagdaan ng Pangulo sa ating 2025 national budget dahil inaaral pa po ito at inaasahan po na meron pong mga i-veto daw ang